Welcome to Professional AutoCAD by Royal Mechanica. Today we are going to see another exercise in AutoCAD. Before going to the exercise, we will study the dimensions of this figure. As you can see here, it is 30 mm. Here it is vertical distance is 50 mm and offset is 5 mm on all sides. Here the radius is 10 for the arc, and this circle is having diameter of 10, and from here to here it is 15 mm distance, and from here to here it is again 20. So let us see how to do this. I will keep here. First of all, we have to take a polyline. First we'll specify the point. From here I will go with 50 mm, press enter, and again I'll go here 30 mm, press enter, again I'll go with 50, and lastly I will join this. So this has become one part. So now for making this circle we have to use the offset command. So what is the command is O enter, offset command. So you have to specify offset distance. As you can see in this figure, the offset distance is 5, so I am clicking 5, then press enter. It is telling select object to offset, so I will select this object and don't go outside, pick it in inside. So offset is 5 mm. Now coming on to this, here you can say distance is 20 mm. So here what you need to do is first take polyline. So this is a different procedure how to draw this. Without drawing a line here, how we are going to draw from here, that is from here, without drawing line here, how to draw line at this point, from this point. So what you have to do is you have to take polyline command. Just trace it. Trace means don't click it, trace it and take it up to the downside here. Now you have to make distance as 15. See here how it is coming. It is coming directly from here, it is not coming from here. So you have to take distance 15 mm. From this distance 15 mm, again take 20 mm distance here. Now we have to take here, as you can see in this figure, arc we have to take. So for taking arc, what you have to do is you have to right click here and press on arc. Now the arc radius is 10, so but it is indicating here, as you can see, indicating the diameter. Okay, so radius is 10 means diameter is 20, so I will take diameter as 20. Now I'll connect this with this, again it is 20. So we have made another you have to take line here. Okay, right click and go for line, then you can click or you can go for 20. Okay, you can join, then press escape to come out from that activated command. Now for drawing the circle, what you need to do is take circle with diameter here, just trace it. This triangle indicates it is at the center, so here we have to take diameter as 10, then press enter. Got, we have created the figure. Now we will see what are the dimensions. Again from here to here we have made. Again go with line command, trace here, So for measuring the distances, how to measure is, click on this. We'll go with vertical distances first, from here to here. Okay, it is from here to here, it is 15. Okay, these are all our vertical distances. Now going for horizontal distances, just you have to go here and select horizontal. Okay, so we will measure here horizontal distances. Here to here again it is 30. Okay, from here to here, let us see what, 20. Okay, now we'll go for here. What is it? Is offset on all sides is 5 mm, whether you take horizontal or vertical. Okay, now measuring the radiuses, go with radius is 10, but diameter of this arc is 20. Okay, now coming on to diameter of this circle, middle circle, you can see we have created this figure. So in this way we have to create the figure. Thank you.